All right, listen up. It's October 4th still. I have made a decision. What I've decided to do is to put another spacer in the middle of this beam to give it a little bit more width. When I first designed the beam, I basically mimicked the original one that I took out. You know, the dimensions were exactly the same. What I found though is I still have a little bit of space here between the original joists and the side of the beam. So rather than paying so much attention to trying to recreate the original beam, what I'm doing is I'm building a beam that's going to fit the house better the way it is. So what I've done is ripped down some plywood here. I think it's a little under 1/2 inch thick to give me a little more width. And what I'm doing is I am measuring where these bolts come through that keep the beam together, which they're all loose right now, so I get a little extra space. And I'm taking these pieces of plywood that I've ripped down, and I'm basically just notching out a little section that overlaps where that bolt is going to be. And then I'm going to place this plywood between, kind of sandwich it between the two LVLs, make sure that that notch is where it should be, and essentially just tap it into place. Tighten the bolts down to keep it all together. Because I gained a 1/2 inch of width there, I'm going to have to change my bolt size, so I've got these temporary 10-inch bolts keeping the thing together, rather than the 6.5 inch bolts that I originally had because they're a 1/2 inch too short. So I got to go back to the hardware store and get some 7-inch bolts. But I think this is the right thing to do. Alright, there's the update for now. Signing off.